x by using the trigonometry. Last step is only the integration. Write down integral sin square x whole square dx. Sin square x 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Apply that formula. Sin square a 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. 2 square value 4. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. In this place, apply cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2 formula. So 1 by 4 1 plus cos 4x 1 plus 2 into 2x 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Take LCM 1 by 4. Take 2 LCM 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x 2 into 2 4 minus cos 2x dx. This is 1 by 8. 4 into 2 8. So apply the integration formulas. Integral of 3 3x. Integral of cos sin 4x by 4. What is that for? Quotient of x minus 4 into sin 2x by 2. These two are the x coefficients. X quotient 4, x quotient 2. Once again, sin power 4, sin square whole square. Sin square a formula 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 2 square value 4. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, in this place we apply sin square a, cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a by 2. 1 plus cos 2a value 4x by 2. 2 LCM 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x. Integral of 3 value x. Sin 4x by 4. Sin 2x by 2. Suppose given cos power 4x dx. Same. This is a cos square. Total problem in the on the board. See, cos square whole square 1 plus cos 2a by 2 whole square. A plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus. That is only one difference. Cos power 4 solution is that one. Plus. Remaining part is same. Next. Sin power 8x cos power 8x by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x dx cos square x dx equal to a sin 2x plus b. See, first simplify the given function. All of you listen. Sin power 4 whole square cos power 4 whole square by denominator is same. All of you listen. Sin square x cos square x a plus b into a minus b. So integral sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, this is a plus b, into a minus b, sin power 4x cos power 4x by denominator is same. Next, sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square, again a plus b into a minus b. So sin square x plus cos square x sin square x minus cos square x by denominator is same. All of you listen. Apply a square minus b square. So a square plus b square. We apply this place a plus b whole square minus 2ab formula. So integral a plus b whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x a plus b whole square minus 2ab sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Take minus common, cos square x minus sin square x whole divide by denominator 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1 square value 1 minus 2 sin square cos square, this value is cancelled, minus cos square a minus sin square a cos 2a formula, cos square a minus sin square a cos 2a formula minus integral of cos sin 2x by x quotient 2. So a value is minus 1 by 2. Once again, sin power 4 whole square sin x by sin x minus alpha So difference is minus alpha. Add minus alpha and plus alpha in the numerator. Integral sin x minus alpha plus alpha by sin x minus alpha. Apply sin a plus b formula. Integral of sin a sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by sin x minus alpha split into two parts, cos alpha, sin alpha. These two are the constants. So first part, take cos alpha common, sin x minus alpha by sin x minus alpha dx, cancel, plus second part, sin alpha constant, cos x minus alpha by sin x minus alpha dx. See, integral of 1 dx, equal to x. See this one, this is f of x, this is f dash x, derivative of sin x equal to cos x. So f dash x by fx, log mod fx. So cos alpha into x plus sin alpha into log mod sin x minus alpha. Minus alpha plus alpha, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, split into two parts, integral of one value x, f dash x by fx, log mod fx,